Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Park is spread over 107 acres in Gomti Nagar area. Ambedkar Memorial Park is built in memory of Jyotiba Phule, Sri Narayan Guru, Kanshiram, Birsa Munda, Shahuji Maharaj and many other reformers who were dedicated to equality, humanity and justice. This park is built from red sandstone brought from Rajasthan. As you enter the park, you will see a 112 feet high stupa. There are many pillars around this stupa, big statues of elephants and statues of Dr. Ambedkar on which his life principles are described. His statue is situated in front of the dome in the Sanctum Sanctorum, which looks like a flower with flower petals. As you move inside, you will reach the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Samajak Parivartan Sangrahalaya, which has statues of eminent people like Jyotiba Phule, Sri Narayan Guru, and Kanshiram. Around 18 feet tall marble statues of saints like Gautam Buddha, Kabir Das and Sant Ravidas are installed here. You will find a corridor here, which displays attractive bronze murals. A serene gateway known as Pratibimb Sthal is adorned with 62 elephant statues on both sides which get covered in a beautiful blanket of light at night. To get a better view of the park and the statues, do visit the Dr. Ambedkar Memorial Viewpoint. Though the monument is open throughout the year, the best time to visit here is during winters as this season is the best to explore the complex completely. Things to see in and around the Ambedkar Memorial Park. Ambedkar Memorial Park is established in memory of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. There are many things to see in this park. Here is the list of things to see in and around the Ambedkar Memorial Park. 8. Ambedkar Stupa. At the heart of the Ambedkar Memorial Park is the Ambedkar Stupa, which forms the main attraction of the park. The construction of stupa is in the shape of a flower with 4 petals in bloom, reminiscent of the Sydney Opera House in Australia and the Lotus Temple in Delhi. The stupa consists of multiple statues that depict Ambedkar's biography through various stages of his professional and personal life. The inner sanctum also bears a bronze statue of Ambedkar, modeled on Abraham Lincoln's at the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. Ambedkar's famous words at the bottom of the statue are in Devanagari, which translates to, "My life struggle is my only message." Though, Samajak Parivartan Sangrahalaya and Gallery. The Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Samajak Parivartan Sangrahalaya is located opposite the park and must be visited by those paying the park a visit. Constructed over a sprawling area of 11,000 square meters, the museum houses large statues of reformers such as Jyotiba Phule, Sri Kanshiram and others. Each statue is engraved with famous sayings of the reformers and their ideals that carved a niche in the average Indian sensibility. It takes less than an hour to explore, but visitors are advised to be prepared to walk around and be comfortably dressed for the same. 3. Drishya Sthal. The Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Memorial Drishya Sthal or viewpoint is located at the back of the main entrance, also known as the Pratibimb Sthal. The point is constructed on top of a pyramid-like structure standing at 80 feet in height. The Drishya Sthal offers stunning views of the memorial park at large, clearly showcasing elements such as shrines and creative structures from a height. Visitors can come to the Drishya Sthal for a good view of the Ambedkar Memorial Park and get pictures. Furthermore, the point is also connected to a flow of water from the top of the pyramid, making for a beautiful waterfall of sorts. Additional information for visitors. The Ambedkar Memorial Park is located in Gomti Nagar, a locality known for its posh residences. Gomti Nagar is well connected by local transport, including taxis, auto rickshaws and other menial modes. Furthermore, Lucknow is also well connected by a network of metro and visitors can get off at the Gomti Nagar metro station, where local transport will take you to the park. It is open all days of the week between 11 am and 9 pm. It is suggested that visitors visit the park in the early hours of the morning to miss the crowd a late evening when the sunset is a view worth staying back for. The entry fee for the park is a nominal 20 rupees per person, which can be paid at the park entry. Further read, Street Food in Lucknow. The Ambedkar Memorial Park is a beautiful homage to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It is a must visit for all those interested in knowing more about him and his journey. Take this opportunity to visit Uttar Pradesh and explore its culture. Book your trip to Lucknow now and immerse yourself in the Nawabi culture. For our editorial codes of conduct and copyright disclaimer, please click here. Cover image source, Vikraman23 for Wikimedia Commons. Frequently asked questions about Ambedkar Memorial Park. How is the Ambedkar Memorial Park in Lucknow significant to the Indian context? The Ambedkar Memorial Park is an extremely significant place to visit in Lucknow. The Ambedkar Memorial Park celebrates the life and legacy of the contributions of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the head of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. It serves as a symbol of social justice, equality and empowerment, reflecting Dr. Ambedkar's vision for a democratic and inclusive society. It also serves as a beautiful place for locals and tourists to walk around through pages of history and learn more about the legacy left behind by Dr. Ambedkar. When was the Ambedkar Memorial Park constructed and who initiated its development? The construction of the Ambedkar Memorial Park began in 1995 under the leadership of Mayawati, the ex-Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, to create a majestic memorial dedicated to Dr. Ambedkar. The park was inaugurated in 2008, marking a significant milestone in honoring Dr. Ambedkar's legacy. Between its conception and eventual public access, the park underwent many renovations which further added to its appeal. What are the key features and attractions to look out for at the Ambedkar Memorial Park? Spanning over 107 acres in Gomti Nagar, Lucknow, the park boasts a plethora of architectural wonders, statues and monuments dedicated to Dr. Ambedkar. Key attractions include the Ambedkar Stupa, Ambedkar Memorial, Samajak Parivartan Gallery and Pratibimb Sthal, each reflecting different aspects of Dr. Ambedkar's life and teachings. Furthermore, the park also boasts of beautifully manicured landscapes, a plethora of flora and other architectural marvels that must not be missed. Is the Ambedkar Memorial Park open to the public and does it have an entry fee? Yes, the Ambedkar Memorial Park is open to the public throughout the year, allowing visitors to explore its various sections and learn about Dr. Ambedkar's legacy. It follows a certain entry and exit timing. Entry to the park costs about 20 rupees, making it accessible to people from all walks of life. What can first-time visitors expect to experience at the Ambedkar Memorial Park? Visitors to the Ambedkar Memorial Park can expect to immerse themselves in a serene and contemplative atmosphere while exploring the park's lush greenery, tranquil water bodies and intricately designed monuments. They can also learn about Dr. Ambedkar's life, struggles and achievements through informative exhibits and displays. Are there any guidelines or restrictions for visitors at the Ambedkar Memorial Park? While the park welcomes visitors of all ages and backgrounds, there are certain guidelines to ensure the sanctity of the memorial is maintained. Visitors are expected to show respect and